guys for tuning in to Danny Ray Lives. This week we are going to whip up a little bit of fresh hummus. All the hummus that I eat, I can't believe I've never made my own fresh hummus, but I haven't, so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get in the kitchen. So as always, I set all of my ingredients out here. We got tahini, sauce, salt, onion, lemon olive oil, and garbanzo beans. And that is my mom's amazing food processor that I'm about to break in today for the first time. Okay, so first things is cut this onion up. Ready? Okay, so in my pan over here, we're gonna do a tablespoon of olive oil, tablespoon of olive oil in there, and then great, that going. Then we're gonna toss our onion in here. I'm not a huge fan of onions, so I'm only gonna put, I think, a half an onion in. Hopefully that doesn't screw me up. It called for a whole onion, but that's a lot of onion. I don't really need that much. You know, all of this stuff is gonna get food processed anyway, so it's okay if it's not like super finely cut. Get that onion off my fingers. I'm gonna make sure these onions are getting nice and translucent. You want them to be translucent. All right, we're gonna add our garlic. Garlic mixture, 3 cloves of garlic in there. Mix that around. And then then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, baby, salt and pepper, baby. All right, so we're gonna take our can of chickpeas here, and I'm just gonna rinse them off. We're just gonna strain them out. We're just gonna rinse them. All right, so next step is getting some lemon juice. We're gonna squeeze our lemons. We need 4 tablespoons this time. Oh! I popped it. We're just gonna drop it in there. Like I said, guys, I don't think I'm using this lemon squeezer right. We're gonna add the chickpeas. We're gonna add another tablespoon of olive oil. We're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're gonna add a tablespoon of tahini. This tahini sauce, I just got some on my face. This tahini sauce was not easy to find, so good luck to anyone who's making hummus that needs tahini sauce and can't find it. Awesome. we're gonna fire this baby up for the first time. I'm so excited. All right, you guys ready for this? Come closer. Okay, well, this is highly unlikely, but my mom's food processor is not working and I don't know how to get it to work. So I'm gonna transfer this stuff over to my NutriBullet and we're gonna try to make it that way. I can't believe that I don't know how to do that. Kind of messy. I'm gonna add a little more. Add a little more tahini sauce, a little more olive oil, because I just don't know how much ran out of there. So we're just gonna do a little more of each. Could do more lemon juice, but I don't really want to break another lemon open. So we're gonna put the onions in there as well, and then we're gonna do this. Alrighty. This actually looks really good. Sweet. All right, we're gonna dress it with a little smoked paprika, but there's your hummus. Looks pretty good. All right, we're gonna dress it with a little smoked paprika. That actually looks really good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then I'm gonna take That is delicious. Nice. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a little bit, let it cool down a little, and get a little more solid, and then I'm gonna eat the crap out of it. Thank you guys again for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like any of these cooking videos. Let me know if you know how to work a food processor, because clearly I do not. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.